Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Phantom.Strategies. So today is September the 3rd. It's about 4:15 p.m. Eastern here in US. Today we have a Labor Day holiday here in US. So all the major markets are closed, and so you will see a lot of you won't see a lot of volume in the market, in the crypto market, or even in the forex market as well. So I want to talk about Litecoin in this video. It's been a long time since we covered Litecoin, so I want to bring you a update on Litecoin, give you some of the potential for Litecoin trading, some near-term resistance and support, and what might be in the cards for Litecoin going into the month of September. All right. So before we get started, if you're new to the channel, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit those notifications and the bell icon on this video so you can get this content right away as soon as I upload them on the YouTube. And if you think this is helping you with your trading, with your investing in the crypto market, or just in general, then please do give me thumbs up. That really keeps me motivated in doing this content review for you guys. All right. So Litecoin right now is trading at around 65 USD against this data is coming from Coinbase, and we are looking at the daily chart. Right, so we are looking at the Litecoin to USD pair right now. So Litecoin was pretty favorite for a lot of the guys in the earlier in the year. I used to trade Litecoin a lot, especially in the first around March, April time frame. I did a lot of trading in them, especially buying the bottoms and selling the highs. I have done that a couple of times. Were quite profitable actually, and then it kind of just dropped out of my radar. I didn't trade too much Litecoin, and it really just dropped out of the radar, and haven't really looked into it much. The trading pattern for Litecoin is very similar to Bitcoin. I have said that before. So it's very similar to Bitcoin. It used to be very favorite, especially earlier in the year. Then it kind of lost its mojo. It's really fell out of that that top coin as far as the momentum is concerned and the trading is concerned. So I want to kind of just revisit Litecoin, and not some people, I should say a lot of people. I do portfolio analysis for investors and traders like you, and a lot of people do have Litecoin in their portfolio. So I'm sure a lot of you still have it, and I want to bring you an update for that. So Litecoin right now, the first resistance level that I'm seeing in Litecoin is going to be around $70, which is the 50-day moving average on the daily chart. Now that 50-day moving average previously really acted as a resistance. If you see back in July 18th, it touched that 50-day moving average, and it bounced. Bounced back, and again it tried it again, and we couldn't pierce that. So now again we are coming near that 50-day moving average. So let's see if we can get through that. Okay, so that will be the first real test for Litecoin. We haven't crossed 50-day moving average since May. So we have been below 50-day moving average since the mid-May time frame, May 15th to be exact. So that will be the first step in the right direction for Litecoin to get over the 50-day moving average. Second level of resistance will be $73. That was providing the support a couple of times back in July, late June and mid-July. So that will be the second resistance level for Litecoin. So there is a lot of these coins, or a lot of these charts have been broken in last few months. When I say broken, I mean that it won't be clear skies and just going up and up. They have to retake those support levels which are acting as resistance now. So that will take some time. It's not going to happen overnight. All right. So please do remember that this kind of things won't happen overnight. So 67 that will be the around 67. That will be the first resistance. Then it's going to be $73. All right, and then the major one, the major one that I'm looking at is going to be this trend line, this red trend line. I'm going to mark this a little bit darker. So hold on. Okay, so this one that that provided the support previously. We broke that support in early August, so now we will have to retake that resistance, the trend line. So that will be around $80 mark. Okay, so there is some resistance. Let's see how well it trades. We need to see some volume. If we can see some higher volume in Litecoin, that will be a good indication that we are moving in the right direction, and the bounce that we might get, that will be sustainable. Okay, so I have said it plenty of time on this channel, volume is a very key indicator when you're trading with crypto market, because it really tells you, like, you know, a lot of underlying things that, you know, where people are if people are just, if the price action is going up but the volume is not picking up, then it's a little bit shady, because like where is that price action coming from? Is it just coming for a few traders who are just trying to pump it up, or like, you know, and then might dump it later, or so it's so you really have to see the volume. That really is a key indicator for trading, especially with the technicals. All right, so just to recap, 50-day moving average, we haven't crossed that since July, since May. Yeah, so that we need to cross, and then we have the couple of support levels that were previously acting. You know, we previously tried to take them out, but it didn't work. So that will be around $73, all right, and then around $80. Those are some resistance level that we need to keep an eye on for Litecoin. Okay, as far as the support goes, 63 is a good support point, and then it's going to be around 58. Those are the good support point for Litecoin. This week, we'll see how this week react. It will tell you a lot of, like, you know, it will give you a lot of indication as far as like how is this, like, you know, month of September going to act, and what kind of, like, you know, direction we are going to see. Right now I don't see too much selling pressure, but we need to just be cautious until this charts, until this technicals get a little fixed. They show us a better indication. We need to be careful. We don't jump into just like with all in and just call it, hey, this was the bottom, let's like jump in, because people got hurt before. It's not a good strategy. Okay, let me just put it that way. Okay, go slow, you know, and just have the realistic mindset. Don't expect that you're gonna make 200-300% return within a month. Okay, those kind of things doesn't happen. I mean, you might have a better luck just going to Vegas or going to casino. So don't try to push those kind of things. Just be realistic. Okay. All right. So I will do some more altcoins shortly, and post any comments or questions you have, and any coins that you want me to cover in the channel. All right. Talk to you soon.